Well, let us see what Blender has to offer with regards to the mesh code. For that, let us delete this default cube, go to add, go to mesh and cone. After I bring cone, we get a submenu here. If I open this, you get the vertices. Vertices is nothing but the amount of detail you want over the object. You can make it a pyramid of 4 faces or a cone, ice cream cone with lots of vertices. So that is what vertices does. Radius 1 is the radius of the bottom face and radius 2 is the radius of the top face. You can make a bucket out of it. And depth is the amount of depth that you can give it to the object. Base fill, if you put by default it is n-gon. Let me reduce the depth so I can show you what happens. This looks like jewel. You can also use it to make jewels. So base fill, if I put nothing, it is going to hold it out. And if I use n-gon, so what is going to do, it is going to fill the top and bottom faces. And if I take triangle fan, it feels like nothing has happened. Let me show you by n-gon and go to wireframe and come from n-gon to triangle fan. What it is doing, it is taking extra edges and meeting it up here in the center. So that is what base fill type does. Generate UVs, if you want to generate UVs, you can generate UVs for this. Align according to world, if I click here and come and click to view, it is going to align according to where we are seeing from. If we are seeing this object from here, and then if I click on align and come to view, it is going to align that object towards ourselves. This is mostly used for orthographic drawings. Like if I click on x-axis, this is x-axis. If I click on x-axis and then I come here and align according to view, I will get an exact x-axis representation of that object, be it any object. So for that it's very useful. And according to 3D cursor, this white and red dotted circle is there now. It is called as 3D cursor. It's like a boon for modeling. Let us see, someday we will be seeing it. 3D cursor, so what it does is, the way the 3D cursor is aligned, it aligns itself according to the 3D cursor. Along with that, we have given the facilities to move its location in the x-axis, in the y-axis, in the z-axis, and also we can rotate it in the x-axis, in the y-axis, and in the z-axis. So that's it for now. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. And if you want to wholeheartedly support me, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. You can also pay me using Google Pay and Phone Pay. Phone number will be given in the description as well. So with that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.